In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try to reveal the hidden hotel in a Priceline Express deal before booking, so you can get a better idea of what you're paying for. Priceline. Express deals are a great way to find discounted hotels, but the catch is that the name of the hotel is often hidden until after you make the payment. Still, with a few tactical steps, you might be able to make an educated guess and have a better understanding of where you'll be staying. First, open the Priceline website and search for a hotel in your desired destination. Once you've done that, apply the filter to display only express deals. These deals are offered at a significant discount, but remember, you won't know the hotel's name until after you book. However, don't let this deter you just yet. Start examining the deal details. Look carefully at the star rating, guest review score, approximate location, which could be an area or neighborhood, and the amenities that are listed. This information is crucial in helping you narrow down which hotel you might be booking. After you've gathered these key details, you'll want to search the same area manually. Look for hotels with the same star rating, a similar review score, and a location that matches or is close to the approximate area given by Priceline. This step can seem a bit like detective work, but it's going to tip the odds in your favor when trying to deduce the hotel's identity. It's a little bit of research that can make a huge difference. Once you've compiled a list of potential matches, check to see how many hotels in that area align with your criteria, like the star rating and reviews. If you find that only a few hotels meet these conditions, your guess is more likely to be correct. This step is vital because it helps you gauge just how many possibilities there might be, making your guess more educated. Now, you need to decide if you're comfortable booking the deal based on your guess and, of course, the discount being offered. Remember that even with all of this information, the exact hotel name isn't revealed until after booking, so there's always an element of risk. Make sure you're okay with some uncertainty and that the potential savings justify the leap of faith you're considering. And that's it. You've learned how to make an informed guess about the hotel behind a Priceline Express deal before booking. While it's never guaranteed, this method allows you to approach your booking with a bit more confidence and insight. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.